The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides general guidance on the installation of conductors and conduits in raceways. Article 300.17 states that conduits and raceways shall be installed in a workmanlike manner and shall be securely fastened in place without damage to the conduit or raceway. Article 348.28 states that conduit bodies shall be used only with threaded rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, electrical metallic tubing, a Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride, or PVC conduit having equivalent wall thickness. The American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, and the National Electrical Manufacturers Association, or NEMA, do not have specific standards that address the feasibility of adding conductors to an existing pipe. However, their general standards for electrical installations provide guidance. ANSI/NEMA CP-1 covers general requirements for the installation of electrical equipment. ANSI/NEMA GRE-1 covers generic requirements for underground conduit and duct systems for communications. The feasibility of adding conductors to an existing pipe depends on several factors. Firstly, conduit size and fill must be considered. Ensure that the pipe has adequate capacity to accommodate the additional conductors without exceeding the NEC maximum fill ratio, typically 40% for conduits smaller than 6 inches and 35% for larger conduits. Secondly, conductor size and type are important. Smaller conductors are more flexible and easier to pull into tight spaces. Thirdly, conduit routing must be assessed. The conduit should be accessible for pulling wires without excessive bends or obstruction. Fourthly, the existing conductors must be considered. The existing conductors should be secured and not blocking the path for additional conductors. Fifthly, the method of installation must be considered. Using a fish tape or pull string can facilitate the installation of additional conductors. While there are no specific standards that directly address this issue, it is generally recommended to consult with an experienced electrician or qualified professional to assess the feasibility and provide guidance on the proper installation of additional conductors in an existing pipe.